Hello and good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well and safe in home. Today in this video, I will share with you a job openings from European country. So guys, if you have a dream to move Europe with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply, what is the basic requirements to apply for the job and everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is a multiple vacancies in Europe and recruitment for Europe and the country is Croatia. This is a European country and the job is vacancies for product worker, warehouse man of packing and delivery man. So please focus on this. The urgent job vacancies from Croatia and the job profile is product worker, warehouse man of packing and delivery man. So if you are interested to apply for any of these three jobs, you need to know what is the basic requirements. So guys, of course, you should have the previous experience as you already working in any organization, either in national or international. Then we can move to next. Next is the country is Estonia. This is also a European country. And let's focus what is the job position. The first is cosmetic fakers and second is plantation worker, third is taxi driver. So there are also three job profile which is recently opening from Estonia. If you are interested to apply, then you should have the previous experience in the relevant field. And it's better if you apply with the experience, you can get this job easily. But if you will be apply as a fresher, you will have to work hard and you will have to crack the interview, then you can get this job. So let's focus the next is the country is German and the job is warehouse worker. So if you are interested to apply as a warehouse worker in Germany, then you can apply as soon as possible. Later I will inform you how to apply. Next, Norway. This is also a European country and the job profile is same warehouse worker. Next, Latvia. This is also a European country and the job profile is laundry worker and warehouse worker. Next, Malta. This is also a good island or good European country and which is belongs to European continent. And nowadays, many of candidates are moving to Malta with a good salary and getting a good job and settle there in their life. So I can suggest you also you can apply for the Malta as a best country across the world to live, to do a job and to get a good salary and to settle your life. So the job profile is cleaners, factory workers, attractive salary will be get by the company as I already told you. Long term job on PCC required, police clearance required, basic English requirement and you should have a minimum HSC Pass. So guys, now move to applying process. If you are interested to apply, then please send your updated CV. You have to focus when you making your CV. Don't make it ordinary CV. If you are interested to apply to get a job in European country, of course, you have to focus on your CV and you have to prepare it, be professional, and you have to prepare it properly so that the foreign employers or foreign HR recruitment agencies will be selected or it should be proper so that your CV will be shortlisted so that you can get attend the interview. So again I would like to tell you make your CV proper and then only it will be shortlisted by the foreign recruitment agency and you can call by this number after you apply. So apply through the this consultancy also in the mobile app and this is the official address in Mumbai. So guys, here I would like to suggest you one thing. I am just sharing you the information. So your job or your responsibilities is to be verified. So first of all, you need to verify this office, you verify this consultancy, and you verify the all entire process from applying process to applying process to get a job. So after you verify if it will be suitable for you, or if it will be proof as a genuine process for you, then you can move forward. So I am not responsible for that, I am just giving the informations. You just go to the office and verify, then you can start your process to apply for this job. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop a question in the comment box so that I will try to answer your questions. And again, I'd like to tell you this is the urgent job vacancies from many European countries. And the country is Croatia, Estonia, Germany, Norway, and Latvia and Malta. There are five or six European countries which have job openings, so you can apply. This is a golden opportunity. Don't miss it. And I suggest you please apply through this office after visiting, after verifying all the process. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Keep continue watching this channel and check each and every videos and continuously applying for abroad job if you have a dream to move abroad with a job. So lots of thanks again. Best of luck.